Welcome to the Web Analytics course. In this module, we are diving into e-commerce tracking and revenue analytics, mastering the matrices that drive online sales and business growth. Whether you're running a Shopify store, a WooCommerce site, or a custom e-commerce platform, understanding how users shop and how your store earns revenue is critical. Module Overview. In this module, we will give you a complete understanding of how e-commerce tracking works and how revenue analytics can transform your digital strategy. You will learn what to track, why it matters, and most importantly, how to act on the insights you uncover. By the end of this session, you will be able to learn set up e-commerce tracking using GA4 related tools, analyze shopping behavior, cart activity, and purchase trends. Attribute revenue to campaigns, channels, and user journeys. Optimize your product strategy and checkout funnel. And build accurate, actionable reports. Let's get started. What is e-commerce tracking? So, what exactly is e-commerce tracking? It's the process of collecting data about shopping behavior on your website. We are talking about viewing products, adding or removing items from the cart, initiating checkouts, completing purchases, applying discounts, requesting refunds. This data reveals how users buy, not just what they buy. Instead of just tracking conversions, you will understand every step leading to sale and what happens after that. How it works technically. Here's how it works behind the scenes. A user visits your site. Their action like viewing a product or adding to cart trigger events. These events are captured by tools like Google Tag Manager. They send to your analytics platform such as GA4. You can use this data to create dashboards in Locker Studio, Shopify reports, or your CRM. With enhanced e-commerce tracking, events are more customized to match your catalog and funnel. What can be tracked? Product detail views, add to cart or remove from the cart, coupon applications, checkout step engagement, payment method selection, purchase events and order IDs, revenue, tax, shipping, refund data, product list performance, promo banner performance, subscription signups. Standard versus enhanced e-commerce tracking. Now, what's the difference between standard and enhanced tracking? Standard tracking covers basic transactions like revenue, order IDs, and item bought. Enhanced tracking gives you a full visibility like product views, cart actions, checkout flow, and even internal promotions. Why it is important? With enhanced tracking, you can fix bottlenecks, identify top products, and improve UX across the board. What is revenue analytics? Revenue analytics is the practice of examining and interpreting revenue data to find insights into what is selling, who is buying, where revenue is coming from, which sources produce high value customers, how does customer value change over the time. It's more than just knowing how much money you're making, it's about understanding the conditions under which revenue is generated so you can optimize and save. Let's look at a real life example. A skincare subscription brand used revenue analytics to compare customer lifetime value from different sources. They found out that Facebook ads brought up most customers, but email lead to 3x higher LTV. So they decided to reduce Facebook ad spend by, please cut this one, okay? Now let's look at real life example. A skincare subscription brand used revenue analytics to compare customer lifetime value from different sources. They found that Facebook ads brought the most customers, but email leads to 3x higher LTV. So they reduced Facebook ad spend by 20%, focused more on email leads magnets, and boosted long term revenue by 16%. That's the power of the revenue insight. Matrices that matter the most. Here's a breakdown of essential matrices you will learn to track and use. Total revenue, number of transactions, average order value, which is equal to revenue divided by transactions. E-commerce conversion rate, which is equal to transactions divided by sessions into 100. Cart abandonment rate, checkout abandonment rate, refund rate, customer life value, customer acquisition cost, return on ad spend, net profit margin, time to first purchase. Mastering these help you fine-tune campaigns, pricing and customer strategy. Segment segmentation to unlock hidden insights. Revenue analytics becomes more powerful when segmented. You can slice your data by device, traffic source, geography, product category, customer type, time. For example, you might discover that the 70% of purchases from Instagram ads happen at night on mobile devices. Great insights for ad scheduling and creative optimization. And the next is attribution. Know what's driving sales. With multi-touch attribution models, you can understand which campaign actually contributing to sales even if they weren't the final click. GA4 provides a variety of attribution models such as first click attribution, last click attribution, linear attribution, position based attribution, data driven attribution. Understanding attribution allows you to scale high performing campaigns and cut low ROI channels. Tools and platforms for e-commerce analytics. Google Analytics 4, Google Tag Manager, Shopify Analytics, WooCommerce Analytics, Metapixel and Ads Manager, Locker Studio, Klaviyo, MailChimp or MailChimp or HubSpot, Segment or Mixpanel, BigQuery. Common pitfalls or how to avoid them. Please cut this one, okay? Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Watch out for common issues like misconfigured tags. Use GA4's debug view and GTM's preview model. Duplicate transaction. Trigger purchase once on the thank you page. Missing refund data. Add server side tracking. Cross-device attribution gaps. Enable Google signals. Unlinked ad accounts. Always integrate ads with analytics. Business intelligence use cases. With clean data, you can forecast revenue, build customer personals, improve inventory planning, launch targeted campaigns, predict LTV to plan budget. That's the business intelligence in action. Beyond transaction, building the full funnel. Revenue doesn't come from single click. It comes from a series of actions across touchpoints. With proper analytics, you can connect impressions, clicks, product views, add to cart, checkout, purchase, re-engagement. Track this funnel in GA4 and visualize in Look Studio to identify and fix leakage points. Real life example. An electronic retailer discovered that smartphones sold best on mobile, while accessories were mostly bought on desktop. So they adjusted their promotions by device and increased revenue by 28% just in 2 months. Small insights, big results. And here's the takeaway. Data is your digital sales coach. With e commerce tracking and revenue analytics, you will no longer rely on guesses. You will make bold, confident decisions backed by numbers. As markets grow more competitive, the winners will be those who understand their data and act on it. This module equips you to lead with precision, strategy, and impact. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with someone who's building their online store. And don't forget to subscribe to the full course so you never miss a step on your journey to analytics mastery. See you there.